We do hear from a lot of big tech names today. I see that you actually, if I'm not misreading this, would look at SAP as a stock for investors right now?
Yeah, clearly they had a big miss earlier this week. They have, I think, reset the table. Clearly you have new management there. There was some insider buying. It's a company that obviously is not on a 52-week high or near its 52-week high. So that's something my analyst, Pat Walravens, likes. But again, there's other stocks out there, and I think we're going to learn a lot today about how the third quarter was. But going into the election and going into the new year, I think past this prologue, we're going to want to play some of those stocks that have already benefited at prices that are a little bit lower than they were at its peak. But yes, SAP, names like Facebook, names like Amazon, we're going to still at JMP be behind those stocks going into the fourth quarter, going into the earnings report that we're going to soon hear about.
Interesting. And Kathy, I don't know if you would recommend specific names or if it's just more of an approach, but for people who say to you, listen, I understand that the next wave of winners is going to be these digitally focused names, but I'm concerned about valuation. What do you say?
I would say if we see stocks go lower, right, we're a couple thousand points off now where we were just a short time ago. Just buy a little bit at a time, buy into those stocks that we've already seen have some gains, but also find some of the others. There's no reason to fear the markets. There's no reason to fear volatility. Money is had and money is made during these times. So this is the time to step in and do something about it.
What about the election, Kathy? I mean, do you have to kind of have a view on a Biden win, on a blue wave, on an outcome one way or the other?
Yeah, I think we have to consider that. I mean, if you think back to 2018 or so, with the administration dropping the corporate tax rate down to 20%, that certainly helped the markets a lot. Shifting that or making a change there could be very detrimental to the markets. Also, personal income tax rates or capital gains rates. We have to think of all of those things. So right now, for our clients, we're telling them to think about this before the end of the year. We're certainly going to wait and see what happens with the election, but overall, we are not going to vote with our portfolio. We're going to wait for the vote to come out and decide how to best position clients from a tax perspective and also from like a long-term growth perspective going forward.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.